A new trading week is off and running here in the United States, and after seeing the Dow Jones close out last week by hitting all-time highs, both intraday and at the close, it appears as if the markets are taking a breather to start the week. Already released this morning, we had U.S. personal income, which rose a better than expected 0.4%, but market action will really pick up tomorrow with several key economic reports on the docket. We start in Japan with the December unemployment rate scheduled for release. Expectations call for that rate to remain unchanged at 2.7%. Meanwhile, in the United Kingdom, December consumer credit awaits with expectations calling for a final read of £1.3 billion, followed by a key speech from the Bank of England's Governor Carney. While in the Eurozone, preliminary Q4 GDP awaits and expectations call for the figure to remain unchanged at 0.6%. Quarter over quarter and 2.6% year over year. But the world will be tuned to the United States as, in the evening, President Donald Trump's State of the Union address is scheduled. On Wednesday, we begin down under with Australian consumer prices on the docket. In addition, the RBA's Q4 CPI is scheduled and expectations call for that number to remain unchanged, 0.4% quarter over quarter. Then in Europe, the Eurozone unemployment rate and consumer prices are scheduled. Expectations call for the unemployment rate for December to remain unchanged at 8.7%, while the preliminary consumer price index year over year is expected to rise 1.3%. While here in the U.S., the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision awaits with expectations calling for the figure to remain unchanged at 1.5%. Thursday is just as busy, and we begin in China with the Caixin Manufacturing PMI report due. While in Europe, it's all about PMI with numbers due from Spain, Italy, France, Germany, and the entire Eurozone. But most attention will be on the United States with Q4 non-farm productivity and ISM manufacturing on the docket. Non-farm productivity is expected to rise 1.3%, while ISM manufacturing PMI is expected to come in at 59 from 59.7 the previous month. And on Friday, Eurozone producer prices for December await with expectations calling for a rise of 3.2%. And in the U.S., it's all about jobs, with January non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate both scheduled. Non-farm payrolls is expected to rise 175,000, while the U.S. unemployment rate is expected to remain unchanged at 4.1%. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the U.S. dollar is seeing an upturn to start the week. Currently, the euro is down against the greenback, with the euro dollar down 0.57% at 123.51. While in commodities, crude oil prices turned lower on Monday, but the commodity remains supported with close distance of recent multi-year highs. Currently, oil is down 1.01% at $65.47 a barrel, and gold continues to slide as the dollar rebounds. Gold is also down 1.01% at $1,338.40 a troy ounce. And until next time, from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Olivia Vosnenko reporting for ICM Capital.